GITEX is every year becoming more important to NetApp than the years before. This year, we focus more on connecting and reconnecting again with our partners and customers, making sure that we want to provide them with the right solutions today more than before, because we see some challenges when customers, they want to migrate or thinking digital transformation. And with the cloud adoption as well in the region, customers are a bit confused between their digital transformation journey and with the cloud journey, with the artificial intelligence journey, the metaverse, the big discussions that happening, the sustainability in the region. And what we have as NetApp is today more needful for our customers and our partners than ever. What we provide through our data fabric and topping it with our cloud journey and cloud data services, it's a great opportunity from GITEX to share more with our partners and our customers how we can help them in their journey, whatever is their main and top of mind. If I think of today metaverse, and although it's early adoption, we see it and we hear it today at GITEX, and with NetApp, we are happy that somehow we are part of it. What is virtual environments and virtual reality? It is more generating than ever data. And with NetApp today, we are lucky that we are providing our customer with this data management solution, whether it is on-prem, whether they are thinking to accelerate the digital transformation, whether they're thinking of adapting the cloud or adopting the cloud, automizing whatever they have, they would need NetApp at the core. From GITEX as well, we're taking an opportunity to leverage and emphasize on our relationship with the hyperscalers like Microsoft, AWS, Google, and really emphasizing to our customer how we can be better together and serving them to migrate to the cloud, and since they are in this journey, and specifically in the UAE, because we are a bit advanced into the cloud adoption. So really it is to reconnect with our partners, our customers, sharing with them the latest and our latest announcement, what we have for them, and it's really a pleasure to be at GITEX again. Today's challenge is, we're still living in a world where we have on-premises, we have infrastructures, and customers are struggling to get what they bought, which is the supply chain challenges. And we see some customers, they bought maybe a year ago and they didn't yet get their delivery of their goods. So this is one of the challenges that some of our partners are struggling with. But with NetApp, what we're doing is, of course, we want to serve our customers that they have still their infrastructure. But what we're doing, it is really we're giving them alternatives. We're encouraging them to go to the cloud with our hyperscalers relationship. And the journey to the cloud, we're showing them it is really simple and easy with NetApp. And by utilizing the cloud data services that I've been speaking about, because that journey will give them the same result with no challenges from supply chain and with a better performance, better reliability, I would say, in terms of when to get their solution, what to expect from their solution, how the consumption model is been happening on a yearly basis. So we're helping them as well to manage the data and understand it. It's not only to store the data, but to understand if your data is hot or cold. If your data is really hot and you want to keep it on-prem, we're helping them, still building their kind of private cloud. But if it is any multi-cloud solution or decision that they would want to take to put their cold data, we are here as NetApp to serve them much better and to help them having this seamless approach to the cloud. So it is really sorting out, the challenges that our partners and customers are facing by giving them alternative solutions, which is really based on strong operating system, what you call at NetApp ONTAP, and really building on top of it to serve them and to give them the same results, even if they want to build on-prem. So yes, encouraging them through our software offerings to move to the cloud and trying to sort out this main challenge. I would want to say another challenge is artificial intelligence, how I can get the best out of it. What is sustainability? And I live in a society where I want to contribute to being green and to help, and NetApp is committed to help with that. On artificial intelligence, what shall I do and what does machine learning means to me as a customer? For us at NetApp, we want to make sure that no matter what you do, it is your data that counts at the end of the day. How you manage it is key. And with NetApp, you have this peace of mind that we help you to manage your data, helping you storing it, managing it, securing it. And security is another top of mind for so many customers for us. And with NetApp and with the cloud data services, like for example, we have Cloud Insight, is a single pane of view where the customer would understand how he can be 100% in line with his GDPR rules and what he needs to do, as well as how he protects his data, especially when it's traveling from cloud to cloud or from cloud back on-prem. And this is the beauty of NetApp today. Encourage every single partner and every single customer to look into it, or just come and visit us at GITEX and we will help you more. Look, the journey to the cloud, it's in UAE specifically, it's accepted. With the investment that the hyperscalers they've done, from Microsoft to AWS, building their data centers, it gave like a kind of security and attraction to so many partners. The challenge here is that you have some partners that they are more still coming from the old journey, where they are still thinking of the hardware infrastructure. What shall I sell my customer? Do I sell a NetApp or another competition from hardware perspective, to build a data center? Today, and we speak sustainability, it is the shift to move to the data centers, the bigger data centers, the cloud, having this peace of mind, the security that I spoke about. And partners have a big opportunity. The only thing is that they really need to start enabling themselves, understanding which competencies will help them build the future. And cloud is one of them. But not only we're speaking in general cloud, right? And speaking about, moving workloads to the cloud, it is more of what's in the cloud for you as a partner, whether you're a Microsoft certified partner, you're building your approved solution. Why not to add, cloud data services from NetApp and growing your profitability? Managing your customers today, like maybe you used to manage in the past from infrastructure, but on the cloud, building the SLAs, helping the customer, reducing their costs. These are opportunities for our partners, and we really encourage them to start exploring. So we have an opportunity for our traditional partners, what we call. We have an opportunity for the cloud native partners or the software partners, for the ISVs, for the applications developers, because whatever you will be doing today is what data is at the core. And this is why we have an opportunity for so many partners. We want to make sure that we're reaching out to more customers. Customers are at the center, and this is with the help of our partners, understanding how to build their competencies and how to align with NetApp. Manage a very big region. It starts from Eastern Europe and it ends in Latin America, and that's a big region. We have different kind of partners, and as I said, we serve all partners. We have the partners that they are still like from the old legacy of how we do or how we look at the business. You have the native cloud kind of partners, and we see difference, right? In country like UAE, the adoption to the cloud is advanced, and we have really high penetration from cloud consumption. We have partners that we have built already private offers with them. These private offers give them a solution that they can take to their customers. They know ahead of time what is that they would expect to share with their customers, what is the profitability that they would expect from these programs. In some other countries, we don't yet have these adoption, and this is because of as well the linkage to the hyperscaler business. So not everywhere in the world or in my territory we have data centers, and when you build the data center, it gives the confidence to the partners and to customers to really want to explore more the opportunity and build their competencies. So it is different, but we see great adoption in UAE, in Qatar, in Saudi, and this is from the Middle East as top countries. From other countries, I manage as well Spain, and it is as well very good, the adoption, it is picking up. But UAE is really doing great, and we see a big growth opportunity for us with our cloud partners, and we have something dedicated for them. We have something called Cloud Preferred program, which gives them additional rebates or incentives for them to reinvest on building their competencies and their solution, and really to push more cloud data services. We have something called Spot. It was an acquisition from a couple of years ago. Spot is a great door opener for customers that they started their journey to the cloud, whether on AWS or Microsoft or Google, and it will help them really get the best of their journey to the cloud, minimizing their consumption. We guarantee, that the consumption would be less, and only then they can reutilize the same investment into doing more business on the cloud. So it is really good in the UAE specifically, comparably to the region I manage, but we have as well some other areas that it's really picking up and doing good. A lot, actually, people that they know NetApp, we've been very active. GITEX is followed up by a great or a big partner event that we're hosting in November. And this is to celebrate with our partners. We prefer to keep it after GITEX to give partners a bit of freedom to commute between places. And we're expecting to have lots of great and big alignment events with AWS, with Microsoft, with Google, focusing again on the cloud and the journey to the cloud with the hyperscalers. We're as well reinforcing our presence in the UAE, and we are growing the team. My team grew 3 times this year. So our partners would see more of NetApp people visiting them, helping them building these competencies, and really getting the best of this technology that really has a key differentiator for their customers today.